Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price has been making a very, very nice bounce and a nice move. I mean, I think we can all agree that where the price was at its lows to where it is currently right now, we would all agree that, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a very nice move. But that leads to the valid question now over the next 24 hours of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And to me, it all revolves around a single level. And that level is down here at, let's see, what is that? 450. Why is 450 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on, we'll give the bulls a little bit more wiggle room. Let's go down to that. 440. If you want to use 450, right around the same. I mean, it's $10. But why is this level so important? You know, at the end of the day, the moral of the story is this, which logic I think we can all agree on. Truly strong moves, bounces that are truly bounces, well, they're going to keep on bouncing. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 440. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have that set right there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, make progress, again, I'm just defining as 440. As far as levels of resistance, all about the purple line now going forward, which is that 50-period simple moving average. But as things stand right now over the next 24 to 48 hours, the big question you need to ask yourself is, so even if you're watching this video, 15 hours from now, is where does the price stand relative to that 440 mark? And as long as the price is still up above it, that does imply that the bulls still have that opportunity at making progress. And again, that's the name of the game. So yeah, let's see how things continue to play out and see if the price can chip away and build a higher base or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.